Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to convert your Amazon gift card to cash. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open your Amazon account on your mobile phone. And now you have to go to Amazon Pay on the top left corner, as you can see, and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Then it will show this page. Now you have to scroll down till you find gift cards and vouchers section. So you can simply click on add a gift card. And after that will show you this page. Now you have to add your gift card number, then click on add to your balance. And after that, when you go back to Amazon Pay, you will find here on the top left corner the Amazon Pay balance. But now you cannot actually withdraw it. You can only now spend it on Amazon itself. You can only spend it when purchasing products. And now what you should do to withdraw them in cash, you can simply go to Play Store and you should search for this application right here, Save Gold. After that, you should install it on your phone, and now you'll have to buy some gold in this application using the Amazon Pay balance. And after that, you can now simply withdraw them and send them to your bank account. But make sure when you enter any details about yourself or your bank account, make sure to enter the data correctly without any mistakes and be accurate when you enter them. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.